Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Shaheen English Learners. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the 20 to 30 most important MCQs for English lecture and PPSC exams that are mostly taken for PPSC English lecture exams. So friends, before starting this video, I would like to say you please like and subscribe my channel so that you may get notification of my new videos. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first question is Defense of Poetry was written by. Who wrote this? The answer is Sir Philip Sidney. Second, who wrote Biographia Literaria? So friends, the answer is S.T. Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Who wrote Arcadia, a Romance? Arcadia is considered one of the best romance that was dedicated by Philip Sidney to his sister. So friends, it was written by Philip Sidney. Theory of Darwinism was given by. Who gave the theory of Darwinism? It's a very amazing book that was actually evolution, friends. So it was written by Charles Darwin in 19th century, friends. So Pygmalion is a play written by. So Pygmalion is a play, friends, written by G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw. Our sixth question is Iliad and Odyssey are famous works of. These epics were written by Homer, a Greek poet, who wrote great epic Gilgamesh. So friends, its answer is Shin Leki Unini. So friends, this is very important actually, the MCQs for exams, most repeated. Famous poem Canterbury Tales. Who was the author of this poem? So friends, Geoffrey Chaucer was the author of this poem and was a poet. So friends, this is Geoffrey Chaucer is also called the father of English poetry. King Lear is a well-known tragedy that was ever written by. So friends, William Shakespeare wrote this marvelous work. Renaissance, little meaning is, what is the meaning of Renaissance? Friends, this is the very important meaning movement in English literature that was initiated basically from Italian writers from and spread to Europe. So answer was rebirth. Renaissance means rebirth. So it was started in Europe in 1300 to 1500. Rebirth of art actually it means. Restoration in England started in 1660. So friends, restoration started when Charles II was restored to his position as a king. Who was restored to his position when it started? So friends, as I have told you just now, right now Charles II. John Milton belongs to which age? So friends, it's a very simple and important MCQs. He belongs to Puritan age. So Queen Victoria died in. So friends, Queen Victoria died in 1901, and with this period, with the death of Queen Victoria, this Spain ends. The Sun Also Rises is a famous novel of Ernest Hemingway, friends. In Gulliver's Travels, what is mean by Laputa? So friends, it's a very important MCQ. So it means flying island. So friends, actually it was this term used by uh, Swift, Jonathan Swift, in order to show the discrimination between Ireland and England at that time. Gulliver's Travels was published in 1726. In The Rape of the Lock, sleepless lovers awake. So friends, when they awake, the lovers, so friends, the answer is at 12 o'clock. Who is the father of English poetry? So friends, Geoffrey Chaucer is father of English poetry. He was a person who wrote firstly in English when there was a time of Latin and some other languages. So first work that we receive in written form is from Geoffrey Chaucer, Canterbury Tales. Who requested Poe for writing The Rape of the Lock? So answer is John Carroll, Pope's friend. So friends, John Carroll was a person who was friend of Alexander Pope, and he requested to write the work, a poem, in numerous manners so that a reconciliation may take place between two families who were actually against the war with one another. So friends, it was our today's MCQs. If you like and you wanna get more notifications of new videos, so please subscribe my channel.